We're Bea and Simo, and for the last 6 months we've traveled around Spain, France and the UK with our 1989 van Arthur and our dog Nala. Now we're back home in Italy as our oldest dog is ill, so while we spent the last months with her, we started a big new adventure, renovating completely our van. We started by removing everything we could and destroying some other parts, but now that it's completely empty, we can finally start adjusting some bits and pieces and then start with the build. Today we're testing our skills with products we've never used before to close the holes on the floor, and we'll bring the van to get a brand new window. One big thing that has to be done before the build is to cover all the holes, but as most of them have rust, we're first covering with tape the parts we don't need and then applying a specific spray. Alright, so today it's definitely less windy than the other days, and even if there's the sun, it's still kind of chilly, but this morning we will finally close all the holes that we have on Arthur's floor, and we will use a special kit that we found with the fiberglass. So Simo's currently checking what is going on beneath the holes. You're so funny. But yeah, this morning we're going to do that, and we hope to don't make a total, complete disaster, but I have belief in ourselves. But how much of this are we going to use? I wouldn't use like a third of it.
Yeah.
Even less?
A quarter.
So also a quarter of this.
No.
Adding from 1 to 3% of its hardener. And how much is 1 to 3? It's like a drop.
Yes, I think.
We'll try.
Maybe we can start with once.
Yes, we'll
Like
start
this.
with 1 and we'll see how it goes. Please remember to use your mask. We were dying for this heavy smell of this chemical.
Okay. Enough.
Get it!
No, it's...
Okay, try. It seems good. It has to attach to every corner, every tiny thing.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's in.
Oh, there's a hole. There's a hole on my finger.
No.
Ah! Okay, I need to go and wash my finger absolutely.
Yeah. This one has been way more difficult than the others.
Yeah.
You boy.
You're adapting it.
Yeah.
Trying to don't let it fall inside. Because there's the LPG tank underneath.
Yeah.
As
There
you
is
can
covered
see.
with a piece of something.
Yeah.
But anyway.
We're trying to apply the last piece. I hope that doesn't fall. Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Very carefully. Okay, it should be okay like that. Ooh! Okay. So it's done. I seem like a chicken right now, but it's done. We did it. Now it said that with 20 degrees outside, you should wait around 20 to 30 minutes for it to be hard and ready. But there are no 20 degrees outside, so
maybe it can take up
to an hour maybe.
Yeah, 50 minutes.
There's just that one that is the first one that it's starting to lose the blue color, so I suppose that means that it's starting to harden. It's that one. But yeah, we'll just wait a little bit and clean everything, and because it's quite sticky, so we'll wait for the results to come.
We are now going to check if the floor is okay, if the fiberglass did his work. Alright, so I think we should redo this one, or no? How is it? I don't know.
They're still not completely
dried.
No.
Yeah.
No, not at all.
All of them. But it's strange that these have different colors, these two.
We have this new tool. Hope it will work. With the cold temperatures, it's difficult for it to become hard. So we are trying with this one to heat it up a little bit and see if it becomes hard enough. Otherwise, we'll have to redo it. I don't want to even think about it. Let's try like this. Simo this morning finished to close all the holes of Arthur.
Giving a second layer.
Yeah, we gave yesterday the second layer. We did again another time the one that at the end was all fluffy. So Simo did it again, then finished with the second layer, and it's so beautiful. This is honestly so satisfying and so beautiful to like.
It's solid.
Yeah, I know that we don't have these holes anymore. Like, this was the most annoying thing that we have done. I don't think that building actually the van will be annoying as much as closing the holes, because it will be wood.
Annoying, and I would say also smelly.
Oh gosh. But we are so happy of have finally closed the holes. Apart from this one, and thank God you closed it with the tape. Otherwise I would have closed it too. Now we just have one last thing to do. That it's actually, we bought this one. That it's something similar to close the holes.
Yeah.
It's just smaller. It's not the vetroresina. I always forget the name.
Mm-hmm.
That is
stucco.
No, vetroresina in English.
Fiberglass.
Fiberglass. There's an end to my head.
Nada.
It's called stucco.
Yeah, we use it to close all the
tiny ones made from the
screws. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the last job that we have to do to close all the floor.
And everything is ready to build.
Ooh.
Then.
Yeah, before we need to do something with the window next week and check up the electric part, and then we're ready to build. But now, let's close. Okay, we made it.
And you do the right angle.
In a quicker way. Ooh!
Pongo!
Like, it's not liquid.
No.
Wow. Okay, that'll be fun.
I like it more than the fiberglass.
Definitely, yes. So it said that now you should get some of this, put it in here. So that's why we got this one with the tap, so that we could do everything here. And then put some of this one. How cool is it? And the little spatula, it's here. Wow. It's like building a tiny home. Yeah. A really tiny home. Okay, I think that we should try with this.
Yeah.
Okay, now you have to put 2 to 4% of this one I don't know if it's like a... Ooh. Ooh! It's pink! I should grab just one little piece and put it in the hole. We have so many holes, so this will take a while.
A wild one. The only thing is that we didn't check the color of this thing. So
We're
now
buying it.
we have a white floor with gray dots.
It's actually so relaxing. I would recommend doing this to anyone who feels anxious or stressed about something. I really feel better.
Yeah, you don't need money for therapy.
No.
You need €8.99 for a stucco.
For this, and just a van to close holes. Ooh.
It's
I
hot.
got up too fast.
Everything is spinning.
Ah, thank you.
All right.
Woohoo! Oh, spring is coming. Maybe before continuing, I should check if they are like... Okay, this is becoming hard. Yes, it's working. Can you imagine if I just ended closing the holes and then... Nope, it's not working.
Oh
So
damn.
much work for... Wow, it's so fast.
Really?
Yes.
Perfect.
Wait, it's like... not walking on mine. Okay, but... Yes, it's working. Wow. Okay, maybe it takes a while, but the first ones are done.
Well done, babe.
I'm happy.
Yeah, happy too.
It's a bit messy. It's white and yellow and gray.
But no one will see it.
No, and mostly no insects and no animals will come inside from the bottom of Arthur because we are closing everything.
What kind of animals do you think that can enter some holes?
No,
like
I mean these ones. Maybe the rats can come inside from those places that we have.
Yeah, maybe.
But there's no. Woohoo!
Can now say the Arthur is hole proof.
Holeless.
Hole proof.
Wow. I'm just checking if there are no other holes, but it should be the end of our
Whole
hole
journey.
covering. Yes. Woohoo! I'm actually so proud of this. This thing that we bought is incredible.
Yeah.
Like it's already making its job. So we're really happy with it.
And we didn't
Why are
even
you
know this
crying?
product before.
Tell me. Okay. Yes, thank you. No. Hey. Are you happy? Are you happy with what we're doing with our home?
The tail say yes.
And also the tongue.
A big
says
yes.
You have no idea of what is coming, Nala. Have no idea. No more holes.
No more holes. Bye bye holes. Never see you again.
Hope to never see them again. But can you believe that? It's a simple thing, but we've never worked with these materials.
Never heard of it, like the last one we used.
No. But like both of the materials for this one and this one, we've never used them.
No, never.
But we managed to do what we wanted to do. And it's so beautiful to just see it come true. Even for a tiny thing, but it's an example of things that really do become true.
Yeah.
And now we have a floor. A closed floor with just the holes that we need.
One hole.
Yes. Cannot wait now to start building it.
Mm-hmm. The fun part.
Yeah. A reminder to really appreciate the small steps you take to get closer to your goals, and also the big steps. We're now turning on Arthur after such a long time because we decided to change the broken window finally. It's so strange.
Is it real?
Wow. It's like I've never left it.
Yeah.
And I've been driving it for all this time. I think it's way easier driving a car because of the steering wheel.
Tagliamo, la cacciamo su.
Ok.
O ve la cacciate su, insomma, ditemi voi poi.
E dici che prima magari mettiamo, perché qua siccome c'era un sacco di ruggine abbiamo messo un antiruggine. The man took the measurements for the window and ordered the last piece available here in Italy. As you can see, we really needed a new window, and as soon as it arrived, we drove back to his garage. He's over there.
Bye, Arthur. See you.
We just left him here. They're going to change the windows. Unfortunately, we cannot stay here and help them changing the window because he has so much work that we decided to just let him do the work and come and get Arthur tomorrow probably, or in 2 days. Just because then we are sure that he's doing the job. Simo just went to check if I have enough light, I guess.
It's a bit dark.
Yeah, well, we decided to leave him here because it's the window that entered the water while we're in Scotland. So we just decided to let him do the work so that we don't have any more
Worries about it.
of water coming in. So then we're good to go. We're so happy to see him. I cannot wait to see him with the new window.
Oh my god.
We have the window. We have the window. Completely.
How beautiful.
Okay, people are thinking that I'm crazy. So maybe let's get
We
back
are a little
home.
bit crazy, babe.
What?
Cannot hear anymore.
That was loud. And it's completely attached.
Yeah.
Oh god.
You can see it.
Is it really happening?
Bea, what have you done to yourself?
It feels like a penguin like that. Is it real?
I don't know.
Is it real? Like when we're coming back, we're actually having what we're going to have?